Ano lang? Ay, pumupo. Pumupo yung...
Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Reggie. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle?
Middle!
Alright, let's put it right here. Now, let's call our psychic bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our silver-crested cockatoo. Scientific name is cockatoo.
Mahulaan niya kung saan nakalagay yung ano.
Common inhabitants are open woodlands and
Mahulaan niya
forest
kung saan nakalagay
areas
yung ano.
along the eastern coast of Australia. They are nocturnal birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find this hidden object? Well, if it yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle!
We can do
Come on,
it!
Dazzle, find the hidden object for us.
Middle! Oh,
He
yeah!
found it! Round of applause for Dazzle with Trainer Bird.
Ang galing ng train, oh.
Now, for our next featured birds are just like any marine couple. Monogamous, meaning they will remain strong partner for life. Pretty romantic, right?
Yan, baba mo na yan.
Instead of a test in a relationship, there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky.
Baka mo na rin
A
kaya tayo.
beautiful pair of dream ako. But today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, and may you cheer. Sassy!
Sassy! Sassy! Sassy!
And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, and may you cheer. Rocky!
Rocky! Rocky!
Alright, so birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball. Followed only by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And for the last ball, who's gonna win it?
Rocky!
Rocky wins! Trainer Rochelle, what can you say about that? You lose this time.
Hold it. We want another race.
Oh, she won another race. Trainer John?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race.
And what is a race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the hole, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
So, the ring race, it shall be. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point and girls, come on. Let's hear Sassy to win this time. And we will doing this again. And this time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ring. Hey, what's happening? Sassy picking up the 3 rings.
Sassy!
How clever is that? And the winner is...
Sassy!
Sassy!
Mahutot para si Sassy.
You can say about that. 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys get it!
Oh, he didn't cheat that?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Rochelle and Trainer John. Parrots are particular among to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to announce their skills and not get bored. So here is Sassy once again. Sassy is going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the ship back into the correct slot. Just like Sassy, green macaws from South America and they're the gentle giant of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Ara bird.
Ang bagal ni Sassy, maglakad.
And there you go, intelligent right out of applause for Sassy with trainer Rochelle.
Ano nangyari kay Madin?
Now guys, pull up smile. All of us here knows addition, right? Because this next part of the program will leave people baffled and amazed. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing two numbers between 1 to 50. Any numbers between 1 to 50? Alright, so the first number is number 8. So about the second number. Alright, so the second number is number 40. Oh, sorry guys, but the number is double digit number. Can you please choose any numbers?
3!
What number?
1!
Alright, so the second number is number 5.
5.
So the equation is
Ano ba yan?
8 plus 5. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But
Ano natin?
first,
Wala.
Trainer JB will shuffle the numbers.
As he confirms what Fairmont jotted down.
Now, let's call
Kailangan mo na
our
pulbutin.
Rocky.
Tap your feet.
Trainer JB, is Rocky ready? Go, Rocky, solve the equation for us.
Harmonize with the rest of the guys.
And Rocky gets the first number correct. So about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers.
Tinitingnan na yung plus.
Counting sheep when you're trying to sleep in bed.
And he gets the number 3. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. A round of applause for Rocky with trainer Jamie. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to be a lucky
Wala na akong
volunteer?
500.
Just raise your hands up and we will choose one. With 500 peso bill. Come on guys, set one. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill.
Naubos
Come on
na.
guys, just raise your hands up.
Si Madin, ano
Alright,
nangyari
I
dyan?
think that one. I now please cover the stage.
Sukan na yan.
You will notice that the birds of our show are mostly parrot. It is because they're highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have a very good memory and can remember even the spelling as good in Philippines. These birds can be found in Bohol, Samor, Leyte, Catanduanes, and possibly in Cebuya.
Asan na?
Bintana.
Ayun. Ayun.
Hindi siya makita.
And meet our Brahmini kite. Here comes Shadow. Brahmini kites are typically known as Halias or Hindus, one of the 446 fish birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including in the Philippines. Everyone, we have our chickens! And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mates. How about a round of applause for our raptors, our chicken, and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not trying to take it from our friends in the sea, but also in the land and the
Sa bahay lang natin may ganyan eh.
Who knows
Tumuron dali mga kalapati ng kapitbahay.
those three
Saka na kay Roger.
recycle. Here's our lovely bird, and they're going to show us how the proper waste disposal. Do it so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope all of you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, wow, what a nice entrance! Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, my name is Divina and I'd like you to meet my C9 friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side, he is the only male South American sea lions that we have here. And according to his trainer, he is the handsome one. Wow, nice smile. His name is Vincent. Together with trainer Johnny, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer JB, say hello! Now guys, let's continue. Do you have any idea why there are called fin or feather-free marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey buddies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinnipeds may also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right, sea lion friends? And they have often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and sea lions is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about round of applause for sea lion friends? And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about round of applause for sea lion friends? As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Oh, nice smile. Hey! And they may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any animals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore, flat like with tide pools, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily escape rocky cliffs. Check this
abilities, and let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions can generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Vincent and trainer Johnny. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed of 20, Sandra? 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. How about round of applause for Sandra? The sexiest. Ooh, nice slide. And another one. She deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part of their special operation? Yup, that's right. They can able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be amused of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. So trainers, buddies, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now let's march. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to salute. This time, could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. People of the crowd, are you ready?
Yes!
Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready?
Yes!
Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. So trainers, what first? The rings. Go and get the rings, sea lion friends. And they got it. How about round of applause for sea lion friends? Great job, buddies. And another one. They are asking for it. So trainers, what next? The ball? How do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance. Careful, buddies.
Nawala na.
Go, guys.
Galing.
Go, Vincent boy. Steady and fantastic. Oh, good round of applause for sea lion friends. Excellent work, buddies. This time, would you love to see a dance number for our sea lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance?
Yes!
Well, luego, maestro. dance number, Kiss. Zoe. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lions, Vincent and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, cannot survive in the trash-filled environments. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survivals all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are steward of our planet and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Vincent and Trainer Johnny, Sandra and Trainer JB, all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our Sea Lion friends. Say goodbye now.
Bye!
By the way guys, if you love to have some souvenir photos with our lovely birds and sea lions, please approach our friendly photographer at the exit area. Thank you!